How's it going, everyone? Today the market is kind of really weak. SPY is down about 2%. The video was down about 12% pre-market, and a lot of people are trying to be like, what is there to buy, right? Well, if you look at the sector that's running, and that is currently the Chinese stocks here. HOLO is running up pretty big here. Pre-market. So I'm going to go over a stock that a lot of people are aware of. If I'm going to trade a Chinese stock, it'd be probably the sector, it'd probably be HOLO in my opinion because it's known for the biggest pumps. So if I'm looking at this chart right now on HOLO, I can see the daily chart. It has had a monster move up. It hit this upper counter channel, which qualifies for my momentum trades. But you got to understand is that this EMA 50 is not at the very bottom. As you can see, it was in the middle here, giving us a false breakout, and it's actually at the very top here. So when price comes up to this EMA 50, you have to understand is price is probably going to reject there. The EMA 50 right now is at 273. Well, where is price at right now? It got up to that area. It got up to 288. It's at 263 right now. It's just now on this EMA 50. This could very well be a sell-off point. I hope it's not for the people who are holding this, but this, you just be mindful of this right here. The way I would like to trade this, and you can also see there was a double bottom here. For anyone that got in early, this was a very nice area. As you can see, this was resistance. It broke out. Now this becomes support. You hit support here, come up, support here, come up, and it bounced around. And now we had this monster move. Yes, Chinese New Year is coming. So I know probably this is in anticipation. The market's weak. A lot of people are looking for stocks to buy that are running. So I can see HOLO going up massive. Okay, so we're on the EMA 50 on the daily. Here's how I like to play stocks like this. When you hit this upper band on a lower time frame, this is a 15-minute chart. One, you can see that the EMA 50 is at the bottom. So we are in an uptrend on a smaller time frame. Our daily is in a downtrend, but you know how smaller time frames will make uptrends before larger time frames. So this has to make an uptrend before your daily does. So the way I would like to do this, since this is a very big momentum play, I do think this can go higher, maybe. I would like to play this on the 15-minute chart, and you can see like when price gets near these EMAs, what happens is price tends to bounce. Like we hit this upper band, we come back to the 5, and we make this monster move up. We come back down to the 5, and we make another big move up. Always look for 10% gains if you want to be in and out. 5 to 10% gains is up to you. This right here is already up 15% from this EMA 5. Me personally, I love the EMA 10, which is this yellow, and this EMA 50 has the most, because these give you like higher quality signals, and your stop loss can always be about halfway mark between the 10 and the 20. So it's a very minor loss, but you're taking these higher value ones. So if it skips this 5 and goes to the 10, that's a very nice signal to get in for a next big bounce. So I'm eyeing HOLO. I love the 15-minute chart. This is actually how I day trade in my Discord. It has a very high win ratio, but I mainly day trade the indexes and futures, but we make lots of money. But this works with any price action. If HOLO has a lot of volume, this strategy will work, and I know there's going to be a lot of eyes on it. So we're at this EMA 50. Let's see if we can do something like this where we break out of the EMA 50, make a big move up to this upper band here. The KDJ was at 5.15 when it also was at this bottom here, so this could indicate like this was due for a dead cat bounce. When you see it this low, a lot of times you get that dead cat bounce. So I know a lot of people are hurting on this stock. A lot of people bought super duper high, and I just want to encourage you, take the gains when they present, because it still is in a downtrend stock. Could it change? Sure, I've seen HOLO do an uptrend, but the uptrends don't last long. A lot of times you get false breakouts like this that hypes people up, but people don't see the EMA 50. And this should be at the bottom if it is a true uptrend. You can see on HOLO, this has been in a downtrend forever, right? You hit this EMA 50, you reject. You get close to the 50, you reject. And it's been like that for a while. You get close to this 50, you reject. It tries to make an uptrend, but it just can't get above this EMA 50 for quite some time. I'll show you guys when HOLO was in an uptrend. Look at this 50, rejected. You'll see it many and many, many times. When HOLO made this monster move up, look at this beautiful chart now. The 50 was at the bottom, and it acted as an uptrend. This is what you want to play it as. And you can see these beautiful bounces on the 5, makes a big move up. Another bounce on the 5 makes another big move up. We skipped the 10 and the 20, but we had that next big move up on the 20, and then it just slowly decays, right? Because in reality, these are small caps. They're going to dilute. Their uptrends aren't going to fade last long. This isn't a higher quality stock. But this is how I'm going to play it on the lower time frame. You have the very clear stop loss. I'm playing on the 10 and the 50. Let's see how that plays out. My stop loss is going to be between the 20, the 10 and the 20 if I play it on the 10. And if I play it on the 50, I'll put probably about a 5% stop loss under there. And you can just use your data price range to say, okay, what's kind of the risk? Yeah, if it goes down 6%, I don't really like it anymore. But yeah, let's just see how it reacts to this daily EMA 50. That currently is sitting at 273. We'll see if that's big resistance. But yeah, I would love to wait for a pullback. I wouldn't be buying it up in here. I would wait for that pullback to the 15-minute chart on the EMA 10 to get that next leg up. All right, guys, this is my analysis on HOLO. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and be aware of the entries I get in, the stocks I get in, my strategies on how to make money every day, doing a specific set of strategies that it doesn't matter what the market environment gives me, you can make money bullish or bearish what the market gives you doing these particular set of skills. Join the premium Discord down below in the YouTube comments below. Will say join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe, but all you have to do is click this link right here, day trade alerts, and you'll get access to all my memberships, day trades and swing trades for 12 bucks a month. It's not going to cost you guys an outrageous amount. I know I know trading is hard, it's unpredictable, but with these set of skills, you're going to love it. My day trading strategy is absolutely my most favorite strategy because I make money every day, guaranteed. The market could drop 10% on SPY. It would not matter because this day trading strategy predicts what's going to happen with the trend. And I do selling credit spreads, and I also do futures. You're not going to want to miss my day trading strategy, especially in times that the market is weak and you're swing trading. I get it. Swing trading, you have to hold overnight. You can't predict what's going to happen overnight. That's why we have stop losses. We take in a new swing trade, get in and get out. And that's the same thing with HOLO, right? If it don't work out, guys, it's okay. It is totally fine. You take a little loss, get into another trade, get another position, re-enter your positions, and just do what the market gives. And that's the style I like to teach in this Discord. We're not trying to be heroes. We just trade what the market gives us, take our fast 10% gains, get in, get out, and rinse and repeat it. All right. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. Hit day trade alerts when you come into this Discord. It's only 12 bucks a month. I'm going to show you guys an awesome strategy to make you guys money every day. And you can look at my server shop. I offer the highest membership is Day and Swing Trading Plus for 12 bucks a month. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, and let's make some money in this market.